Hello viewers, I hope you are enjoying a good day. So today we will introduce you a soldering robot, which is three-axis robot. Soldering robots these days are gradually replacing manual soldering process due to various advantages like consistency, uniformity, and it also avoids wastage of solder wire, and the process is uh, as compared to manual soldering process. This process done by the soldering robot is uh, good quality and having the consistency. It also overcomes the problem of manpower, which has having few issues. The soldering robot is available in different configurations, like the dual axis, triple axis, four axis, and this movable platform comes in various sizes as well. Right now 300 mm by 300 mm platform, but 500 mm by 500 mm movement is also available, and customized solution is also available if the movement is required is more than 500 mm. So we also provide customized solution for different applications. So the customers can connect just contact us for if they have any specific requirement with regard to the size or axis of the soldering robots. So in the next step, we will elaborate more about its various section like soldering section, feeding section, movable platform, etc. So let's start from the starting from the extreme left. We will show you that this is the soldering section. This soldering head is connected to this soldering section, and the temperature can be adjusted accordingly by pressing up or down button available on the front panel of the soldering unit. Next is the feeding section. See, this solder wire is connected through this feeding section, and then solder wire then moves on the tip, this on the end of the soldering tip. So various type of solder wires can be used like 0.8 mm, 1 mm, 1.2 mm, etc. And accordingly we need to select the feeding unit. Next is the movable platform. See, this is the movable platform. This is the y-axis movement. So we can see that this is the y-axis. This is next to the x-axis movement. This head can be moved 300 mm to the right side. So this is the x-axis movement. Next is the z-axis movement. See, this is the z-axis movement. Yeah, that we can see the height can also be adjusted while soldering is done. And next is this teaching pendant. With the help of this teaching pendant, we can generate a new program or run a previously generated program, and various adjustments can be made, and we can select the various menu options as well through this teaching pendant. The program is generated through this teaching pendant, and then it is transferred to the soldering robot for running the application. Next is this start and stop button. We can see in between when the program is being run, we can start or pause the program with the help of this green button. By pressing this green button, we can start or pause any program while it is being run. And this ORG button, ORG means origin button. When this button is pressed, the soldering head takes its original position, and the movable platform also takes its original position. Like just now we can show you, this is the original position, and as soon as we press this origin button, this soldering head as well as platform, this movable platform takes the original position. Next is the cleaning part. This soldering tip is cleaned through this cleaning unit, and with the help of this pneumatic pressure, we can clean the soldering tip. And this is the soldering tip cleaner box, which is also supplied along with this unit. Next is the zig. So according to the application of the customer, various type of zigs can be made by the customer. We can only assist them to develop a new zig. See, so these zigs, we can see that it can be fitted onto this movable platform, and then we can insert a PCB or any other job which is performed with the help of this soldering robot. See, we can see this, like this PCB we can insert inside this jig, and then the program is generated, and then the soldering is completed with the help of this soldering robot. However, uh, we can only assist the customer to develop a new jig uh, for their application. We will not provide jig along with this soldering robot.